If you need terminal access in cPanel on Namecheap, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps to turn it on. Terminal access, also called SSH access, can be really useful if you want to run commands, manage files faster, or work with your hosting more efficiently. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Now let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your active hosting plans are displayed, so click on hosting list to continue. Next, find the hosting plan that you want to work with. If you have more than one plan, make sure you choose the correct one, because terminal access needs to be enabled for the specific hosting account you want to use. After locating your plan, click the Go to cPanel button. This will open your hosting control panel where all of your website and server settings are managed. Inside cPanel, you'll want to look for a section called Exclusive for Namecheap Customers. This section is specifically provided for Namecheap users, so it may be placed among other tool groups depending on your cPanel layout. Once you find it, click Manage Shell. This is the area where SSH and shell access settings are controlled. On the Manage Shell page, look for the SSH access setting. You may see options related to shell access or terminal permissions here. To activate terminal access, simply enable SSH access. After turning it on, your account will have terminal or SSH functionality available, depending on your hosting plan and permissions. If you don't see the option right away, double check that you are in the correct hosting plan and that your plan supports SSH access. Some hosting packages may require certain settings or permission levels before terminal access becomes available, and that's it. You've now learned how to activate terminal access in cPanel on Namecheap. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.